A mini implant is just what it sounds like. It is a smaller version of a traditional implant. Traditional implants are measured as 3 millimeters in diameter or larger, whereas mini implants are measured as 3 millimeters or smaller. One of the nice things about the mini implant is it's a less invasive treatment, which usually allows for quicker healing and less post-operative irritation or pain. Another benefit of the mini implants is that they are more cost-effective, less expensive than traditional implants in their placement and in how we're able to restore them. With traditional implants, you can have 2 different pieces that are involved in the restoration. As with mini implants, they can be 1 piece, and then you just have the crown or the other prosthetic device that goes on top.